Introducing a poem by Chanel. Allow me to begin with the girl who was always poised, yet tried to navigate the noise of what I appear to be outwardly, but yearning to release. Introducing me, the pulse I can't ignore, the voice unfolding pages I've never read before. There's poetry in my purpose, a melody in my stride, a strength I used to silence now, I refuse to hide. So allow me to introduce myself, the fearless version, the unapologetic conversion of a young woman who chose to finally see the power God placed inside of me.